Hey, it's Aaron here, and if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out Gigwalk, and so let's check out whether this is a good way for you to make money online, okay? I've reviewed many different opportunities, websites on this channel, and before we get into it, right, to find out whether this is a good way for you to earn, just a quick disclaimer, right? The websites and business models I share in this video are educational examples only. I'm not guaranteeing you'll make money, and your results can vary significantly based on your effort, experience, skills, and many other factors, all right? Always do your own research before investing time or money into any opportunity. I'm just sharing my experience with you, and it's important to get that clear because we are talking about making money online. And the different websites that I review, some can make you a lot of money, some can make you no money, some can make you some money. So let's check out Gigwalk. All right, now Gigwalk is basically a gig website that is geared towards the retail industry. So all sorts of retail companies will come here and use it, and they will hire people like you and me, just normal everyday people, to do what's called these gigs, okay? And the gigs are essentially you go to these places and you can do different things. For example, you can take pictures of the shelf, you can verify prices, you can become a mystery shopper, you can see what the environment is like and the experience is like, and you can also answer questions about the products. All right, so basically that's why they call it Gigwalk. So you can just download it on your phone or on your iPhone or your Android, and then there will be basically a map, right? And very quickly before we move on, this is only available in the US, the UK, and Canada. All right, but if you're outside of those countries, don't worry, I'm going to show you some other really cool ways to generate more income if you want, okay? And if you are located in these countries, you'll pull out a map, and based on where you are located in that country, whether it's a countryside or maybe you're in a more urban area like the city, you're going to have different opportunities, all right? So sometimes there's a lot, sometimes there's not that many, and sometimes there's none. So it really depends on your luck and where you live, right? But if you live in a spot where there is a potential gig that's not that far away, you can go to that gig, and you might have to jump on a bus, get in your car, walk there, drive there, cycle there, and then you will actually have to do the task, okay? Once you get the task, you upload it onto their app, and then once they verify it, they will pay you an amount and you can withdraw it via PayPal. It's as simple as that, okay? Now the big question is how much money can you earn from this? Can you earn a lot, or is it quite little, all right? Well, they generally pay between $4 and $12 per gig, okay? Now, if you're living in an urban area, and you don't have to travel that far, something like this could be worth your time, right? Because maybe it's just down the street for you, maybe it's 10 minutes around the corner, you jump on your bike, not a big deal. But if you have to drive like 30 kilometers or 50 kilometers to get to a gig, you have to remember that you're only earning between $4 and $12, and you're gonna have to pay for your own time, your own gas, your own bus ticket, whatever it is, to get to that location, all right? So remember that eats into your revenue as well. And so, sometimes you get some gigs, sometimes you get no gigs. This is really one of those things where you can earn a little bit of money extra on the side, but it's never going to replace your full-time income, okay? So maybe in 1 month, you might be able to get a few gigs. So we're literally talking about maybe, $50 to $100 a month if you're lucky. If you're really lucky and you live in the right part of the country and the city, maybe even a couple of $100s a month, all right? But this is not going to replace your full-time income. It's an additional bonus way to earn some additional money on the side, which is pretty cool, okay? So if you're located in the US, the UK, and Canada, you can come to Gigwalk and check it out, and it's a cool way to earn a little bit of extra income on the side, okay? Now, if you're not in the US, the UK, or Canada, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. If you want to find out my favorite way to earn full-time income, you can always check that out in the comment section below, where I show you exactly how I've been able to make full-time income just from my computer and using Wi-Fi. I hope you enjoyed this review of Gigwalk, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.